Hey everyone, welcome back. If your YouTube traffic from browse features suddenly dropped, don't panic. In this video, I'll explain why it happens and how to fix it step by step in 2026. Step 1. Understand browse features. Browse features include traffic from home, subscriptions, and recommended sections. Drops usually happen when your videos are shown less on home or recommended feeds. Step 2. Check audience retention. The algorithm prioritizes videos that keep viewers watching. If watch time or retention decreases, your videos may appear less in browse features. Focus on strong hooks and engaging content to keep viewers longer. Step 3. Analyze click-through rate. Go to Analytics, reach CTR. Low clicks on thumbnails or titles reduce how often YouTube recommends your videos. Improve your thumbnails and titles to attract attention. Step 4. Review content consistency. Channels that upload consistently and stick to a niche are favored by browse features. Irregular uploads or switching topics too often can reduce traffic. Step 5. Check video performance compared to similar content. YouTube compares your videos to similar ones in the algorithm. If competitors have better retention or engagement, your videos may get less browse traffic. Step 6. Refresh metadata and thumbnails. Update titles, tags, and descriptions to improve relevance. Even small improvements can help YouTube re-promote your videos. Step 7. Encourage engagement. Likes, comments, shares, and watch time tell YouTube your video is valuable. More engagement leads to higher browse features traffic. So if your browse features traffic dropped, it's usually retention, CTR, content consistency, or engagement, not a penalty. Fix these areas and your videos should start getting recommended again. And that's how to recover browse features traffic on YouTube step by step in 2026. Like the video, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and I'll see you in the next one.